progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
Narcotics Control Bureau of Bengaluru seized around 3 kg of drugs worth crores hidden in Lehengas. The official took the action on a tip-off. The drugs were found in Lehengas and were concealed and stitched to avoid detection by the enforcement agency. The drug was detected after opening each fold of the fall line of the Lehengas. The consignment was booked from Narasapuram in Andhra Pradesh and was supposed to be sent to Australia. The team led by Amit Kavate, Zonal Director of NCB Bangalore, intercepted the parcel and seized white-colored crystalline substance, believed to be pseudoephedrine. The officials added the consignor had used fake addresses and documents to conceal his identity.